This is how to blur the background of any video with realistic background blur in Premiere Pro. Start by duplicating your footage, so you have two identical clips layered on top of each other. Select the top clip, go to the Mask Tools and choose the Object Mask tool. In the Program Monitor, drag over the subject you want to keep in focus. Then go to the Effect Controls panel and click Track Forward and Track Backward, so Premiere tracks the subject throughout the entire clip. Once the tracking is finished, drag the generated mask into the opacity section of the top clip, so only your subject remains visible on that layer. Now select the bottom clip. In the Effects panel, search for Bokeh Blur and drag it onto the clip. Adjust the blur amount to control how strong the background blur is. To change the shape of the blur circles, adjust the aperture edges setting. Higher values make the blur more circular, while lower values create more polygonal shapes. Finally, I would recommend playing around with all the settings till you find the look you like most.